Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander, and let me show you how to reset the trip history, the trip statistics, average speed, memory, fuel consumptions, and other data at once. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel, so the instrument cluster. Here we need to navigate by using arrows left and right, confirm options by pressing the OK button, and scroll also by using the OK button. So now, if you know the basics, let's just go here. And as you can see, let's find here the I information. As you can see, this is the I. And now let's hold the OK button to reset. And now you should see the following reset options. And now you can reset average speed, average fuel economy, average energy economy, driving distance, or driving time. Or you can reset everything at once. So let me do this. Let's just press all, confirm yes by pressing OK, and that's it. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.